service to London, fast service. I will say though, that sun is quite nice on me. There's this light blue monkey who uses both hands to force the banana out of the skin. Oh, bollocks to you. Science. Thought you said it was stopping! So even if it says fuck, you can't fuck it off. Fuck it, I'm going. Pretty much a bit of a quickie. Whatever happens, it's going to be a threesome anyway. Absolute guilty person. Ow. These arse faces had a fault earlier in the week. It's since been... Oh crap, I'm going to get bowled here.